guys, welcome to my channel. So today I did this like look right here. It's like really glam. You can wear it to prom, you can wear it to a night out, you can wear it on a regular day, you can wear it to the gym, just playing, not the gym. And this is how it looks. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. I'm just gonna start off with some primer. I'm using the Smashbox photo finish primer. This one, I'm just gonna put this on my skin. I already moisturized my skin, so everything is nice and moisturized. So I'm just gonna put this primer, let it sit, and continue with the foundation. Okay, I'm back. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick. It's new, I've never tried it before, so I'm just gonna be trying it out today. And it looks like this. It might be a little bit too like orange. Yeah, look. I'm just gonna put it down here too. When you put it on, you can see all my pores. Ew, ew. I'm gonna blend that ASAP because that's disgusting. I'm gonna be using is this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. It's really good. It looks like this, and it's in the shade Vanilla. We're gonna go in with some powder. I'm using this Pretty Vulgar one. I'll show you guys right now when I'm done. Set our whole face with this Pretty Vulgar powder. Now that my face is all set, it's ready to go. I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows last because I don't want to powder, like no foundation or nothing to ruin them. So I'm just gonna do them off camera and I'll be right back. Oh, eyes hurt. I don't know if my eyebrows are good. I'm over it. I need to hurry up. I spent way too long on them. And I'm tired of doing my makeup now. So, okay. So, I'm gonna be doing this look right here. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, ooh, I'm doing this. I have my eyes primed. I just bought the palette. I got it like a very this one called Upbeat. It's this Morphe 15D palette. So I'm just gonna put
how do you get out?
What? And I'm also gonna put this all the way in the crease. Not in the crease, but like just all over like the lid. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going in with this color called Editor. It's like a darker brown. I'm just gonna go over it the same way that I did this one. And I'm just using the same brush also. So now I'm going to be going in with an even darker brown color, which is this one right here. And we're just going to intensify the darkness, like in the outer V, right here, and the outside like this, like mostly all right here. And we're going to go in with a different brush, like it's also a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna cut my crease and y'all can watch this. So I still have 30 minutes. I don't know why I thought it was 2:45, 3:40. You know why? Because of the screenshot. I was looking at the top and it says 2:45 and I was thinking it was 3:45, thinking I had 15 minutes, but I don't. Anyways, it's coming so cute. It looks exactly how hers does. But like, except her, she has tape, so like it's more like, yes. Okay, now I can like breathe and like relax. So let me just tell you guys what I used. So for the white, like for the inside, I used this color right here, this one. Boo! And for the red part, I used this one right here from the Jamestown palette. Okay. Yeah, did you read the sign? It says no boys allowed. So my brothers are not allowed in here. So next I'm just gonna apply some blush, and I'm gonna be using the Balm Springs blush. It goes all the way down and up. Yeah, the Balm Springs blush by the Balm Cosmetics, and it looks like this. So ooh, it's really red. It's cute though. Oh my god, this blush is so intense. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna just pat it down to me. Apply some highlight, the same one. I'm gonna be using the middle color. I love it. It's really like a really good highlight. Like, girl, look. They're gonna ask me if it's my prom day, and I'm gonna say yes. Like, I'm barely getting my nails done the day of prom. Like, I'm just gonna tell them that because there's no way that I will be going out like this on a regular day. Okay, and lastly, I'm just gonna apply some eyelashes, and I'll be right back. The Geek Lashes in the style Elegant. They look like this. So now that my lashes are on, we're just gonna go ahead and do lipstick really quick, and it's 4 o'clock, and my appointment is literally right now. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this Wet n Wild lip liner really quickly, and just go over top with some Fenty gloss. Some setting spray. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild. This is my second one, and I haven't opened it. Smells so good. We're gonna let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna go over top. The last thing I do all the time after every so the last final step that I do after every time I do my makeup is I use this Maybelline Great Lash, this clear one, and I use it as a brow gel. So I just go over my eyebrows quickly, and this helps it just stay in place all day. Okay, so that's completed the look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. This is how it came out. Bye.